Hey everyone, it's Sid here. So we just got the stats for last month for the Vancouver real estate market, and October brought some big changes to our market. So let's go over what's going on out there, how it affects buyers and sellers, and how interest rates are shaking things up. Here's your Vancouver real estate market update for the month of November 2024. After months of slower activity, we're seeing a surge in buyer demand in the Vancouver real estate market. And it's not just a little bump. Sales were up almost 32% from October last year. That's a big leap, and it shows that buyers are jumping back into the market, likely thanks to those recent mortgage rate cuts. This October, more than 2,600 homes sold in Metro Vancouver, and that's a 31.9% jump from October last year. It's still a little bit below the 10-year seasonal average, but it shows that buyers are stepping back into the market now. We also saw a boost in new listings with over 5,400 properties hitting the market, giving buyers a bit more choice. Total active listings, well, those are at around 14,500, which is about 25% more than October of last year. With this inventory increase, buyers now have a broader selection to pick from. But demand is still strong, especially for condos and townhomes. That's where we're starting to see a shift into a seller's market, meaning competition might heat up there. All right, let's talk prices. Here's where we stand for October's benchmark prices across all property types. Detached homes are just over $2 million. They're a bit up from last year, but slightly below last month. Apartments are at $757,000. They're about 1.6% lower than they were last year. And attached homes like townhouses, they're just above $1.1 million. They're up about 0.4% from last year. Now, a quick snapshot of the market. Well, the sales to active ratio is sitting at about 18.8%. That's what we consider to be a balanced market. But if you break it down and look at townhomes and detached homes separately, those are starting to move into a seller's market territory. So if you're looking to buy in those segments, things might start to heat up there as rates come down even more. All right, let's talk rates. Well, the Bank of Canada lowered its key interest rate by another 50 basis points just this past month. Now, this brings a total of 4 consecutive rate cuts we've gotten this year to a total of 1.25% since the beginning of this year. So if you're thinking about buying, now might be a good idea to explore your financing options as the interest rates are becoming more and more favorable. With another rate cut expected in December, things could get even more interesting. Okay, so what does this mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, there's more inventory and there's more options to pick from. But you might want to get a bit more active with your search now because sales are starting to pick back up. That's what the stats are showing. If you're a seller, we're seeing increased market activity in townhouses and in condos, so that should offer some optimism. As always, I'm here to help you navigate through these changes and through the Vancouver real estate market. If you have any questions about the market or about making your next move, I'm Suri with Royal Sussex. Feel free to get in touch with me. Till next time.